Look at that, guys. We got a brand new turbo. Yeah. You already know what this is for. This is a turbo for the Saab. So, yeah. I'm driving the Caddy. Oh my God, it's been so long since I drove this car. My girl's been driving this. I've been driving the Volvo. And this morning I'm like, you know what? I want some AC. I don't want to be driving a stupidly loud car. I'm taking the Caddy. So we whipping that Caddy, y'all. Yeah, I got the turbo. Gonna head up to the shop now and try to get this baby put on. It's been a long time since y'all seen this cluster, huh? Alright, so Chris has been up at the shop messing with the Saab and the turbo on and stuff. I had to go run a couple errands and do a couple things. I'm heading back up to the shop now, check on the progress on it and everything, give you guys an update on it, see what's going on, things like that. But yeah, driving this thing, holy cow, this thing's a turd bucket. Like, the Volvo's way faster. Look, I'm a full throttle here. Let's put it in manual mode, bring it down, second gear, flooring it. Yeah, this thing has no power at all. Wow, that's crazy. And you know, to think like this is a newer car and everything like that, and the 86 Volvo is faster, you know, it's crazy. But yeah, we're heading up there now and then check out the progress. All right guys, so turbo. Yeet. Alright, so there's a new Turbski down there. He had to swap out the back studs on this one from the ones off the old turbo to put onto the new one. And doing so, he broke the plier, which I've never seen before. It's brand new pliers from Gear Wrench. And I went to squeeze it to twist them out, I guess, and it just snapped the head off it. I'll show you in a second. But, yeah, getting there. What do you think is easier, the turbo on this or doing the one on your 335?
This, by far. By far.
So you'll do this again, but not your 335?
Yeah, there's a reason why my turbos are still smoking on the 335.
But, so yeah, God, I'm sorry for the wind noise, guys. I'm gonna have him get this up, and then we'll update as we go. All right, so pretty much Chris got everything put together. There's one mandrel bolt, like the coolant line that he's trying to get on, that being a pain in the ass. So you got to get that one on, and then the rest of the piping and everything, and prime it all up, I guess, and then start it up. Hopefully it'll start up and run good. Hopefully that was the issue with it. If not, then gotta keep digging around, you know. But the way that turbo looked, there's no doubt in my mind it wasn't the problem.
It was needed anyway.
Yeah, regardless, it needed a turbo. So whether it fixes the problem, that was a problem that needed to be addressed. Try and get that on there, and then this sun, guys. Whew. And then we'll go from there and see what's the next step. Alright guys, so that one line I couldn't get on, he couldn't get on. I ain't gonna mess with it right now, so I ain't got time to. I gotta get this video edited up for you guys, and I want to spend time with my family. With how we're at, it should start. That's just a coolant line, not an oil line, so for the most part it should start up. So we're gonna go ahead and connect this here battery, and then we're gonna take this here key and put it in the ignition, which I think the location of the keys on these cars are pretty weird. They're right here. You know, usually their car keys are up here somewhere. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the key in the ignition. Turned in. Ready? Look at it in there. It's so shiny, and oil's not spitting out everywhere. except for that one mandrel bolt right there that we left loose to maneuver that out of the way while we try to get the other line on. But that's leaking, that we know about. But the oil going into the throttle body is no longer happening. I know the car didn't stay running last time, but even cranking it was just pushing oil through.
It won't stay running because we have...
Yeah, it's not going to stay running because vacuum leaks, mass airflow is not really all connected, all that stuff, you know?
2 vacuum lines here.
So
Got vacuum here. Got vacuum here.
yeah, everywhere.
Got here.
So no oil's getting into it, so that's a good thing. We just got to get this here done. So I just ain't got time for it right now. I got to go home and eat and do stuff, and he's got to go home and watch the kids. You know, that's what happens when you start getting old and have kids, you know. And then you have girlfriends that don't want to do anything, you know. She'll see this when she's editing it. But yeah, I know this was an action-packed video, but not all the videos are gonna be action-packed when, you know, trying to get things done, you know. But we're making moves on the channel, guys. We're making moves. No, we have not worked on it yet. I'm sorry. Angel never came out, but it is what it is. We are gonna be getting into this probably next week. Go ahead and get the gaskets and everything for it, stuff like that. Get up on this engine stand and get it torn apart and get some parts in for it. So that's not going to be a long build, like I said. I want to get that done pretty soon so we can go ahead and drop it in either that stand or the Volvo. So waiting on you guys to let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see it in. So obviously if it goes in the S10, it'll be done sooner than if it was going into the Volvo. So let me know down in the comments, and then I ordered the rest of the paint for the Accord. So when that comes in, we can finish painting a few things and stuff on it and get the front clip put back together on it. So yeah, I'm sorry, short video for you guys, but it's an upload for you guys, and that's what you guys want. So that's what's gonna happen with the daily uploads. But that's gonna be the end of this one, guys. If you guys enjoyed, so please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so y'all get notified when we post. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.